Hey guys, what's up? My name is Oge. If you're new here, return subscriber, what's up? How's it going? I'm going to be creating my vision board for the year 2021, and so I want to get some items that I'll be needing to create that. So this is the outfit I'm putting on today. I'm wearing just a t-shirt and a short skirt. I'm going to be pairing up with one of my black slippers and just, you know, be really casual. Just keep it casual, keep it cool. It's 2:30 already, so I really need to head out now. So let's go. Hi guys, so I just got home now. I am super tired, but you guys, guess who's here? My elder sister Emily is around. Just came home. Can't wait to catch up with her. Anyway, so I don't think I'll be able to show you guys what I got, but I got like a lot of things. I'm just going to start working on my digital vision board, and then maybe sometime later I'll make the physical one I'm going to paste on my wall, but I'm going to do the digital one that's going to be on my phone and on my laptop, just so that I can see it everywhere I go. So I'm just going to relax first and then I'll get to that. So
right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly.
Good morning guys. So today is the day I finally finish up everything I want to do about my vision board. I'm just going to finish up the design now. So guys, now I'll be heading to the printer's place to print the whole thing out and create the physical vision board for my work area in my room. So these are the printed ones. I'm going to be laying them on this wallpaper. I'm going to be using this as my cardboard for just placing them on the wall. So this is what I have. This is what the outlook is going to look like. So I'm just going to pin them down on the board like this. I don't want to cut them up so that I don't mistakenly cut something out, but this is what it's supposed to look like when I put it up on my wall. So let me just get right into pinning them down. Okay guys, so I am done now. To stick it to my wall, I'm going to be using this paper, kind of thick paper. So this is what I'm going to be using to stick it to my wall. Hey y'all, good morning. Today's my sister's birthday, so I'm trying to glam her up, like do her makeup, get her dressed and all that. I'm taking you guys to her birthday party too. Her birthday party is in like 2 hours, so we really don't have so much time, so I just want to see if I can rush through this. And yeah, let's get started. Yo, say hi to the birthday girl. Hey, happy birthday. So this is her before. Let's hope I can slay her after. Let's get started. Okay guys, I went ahead and got ready out of camera. This is my outfit. This whole thing isn't doing justice to it, but yeah, we're going to head out now to her birthday party. Her friends are already calling her, so we're out. Issue. So guys, we're here now. I have party venue. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty, y'all. Okay, let's not eat our money, you know.